Okay, now in this video, what I want to do is show you how the squeeze page templates are going to operate. And you want to take a look at this before you start writing your copy so that you don't write too much copy, so that you don't write enough. And you want to have a sense for how much you're going to have to put in there. Now, of course, you do want to have enough copy so that people will want to opt in, but you do want to have a sense for what you're going to be looking at. So you'll notice that I have one of the packages that you have in your in your purchase, and I've got it open. And what I'm going to do is you'll notice I've got my Dreamweaver open. Now for you, that could mean that you have NVU open, and you know this is going to be the HTML editor that I'm going to use. So in order to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just right click this page, this HTML page, squeeze page 1, and you'll see that it says that I can open this with Adobe Dreamweaver, and so that is what I'm going to do, and then we'll take a look at each one to see which one we want to work with. Okay, so I'm inside of Dreamweaver, and you'll notice that you've got a basic squeeze page here. You've got your headline. You're going to have a place where you can put a video, and then you're going to have your opt-in code there. And of course, you're going to have your subheadline and your bullets and your pre-headline. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a pre-headline. We're going to need a main headline, a subheadline, and we're going to need some bullets about what we're going to be giving up in the bribe. And then, of course, then if we either create a video or perhaps there is a video in the tools, and we actually know that there is. So we're going to be taking a lot of those things from our affiliate tools. And this is a good place to just kind of talk about the fact that that's why we chose the title of Badass, and it probably has something to do with why it sells so well, is because it has the tools that you are going to need. Okay, so you now have just a general orientation of the squeeze page. Again, I'm using Dreamweaver and it shows both sides. You might be using NVU or some other editor. It really doesn't matter. The editor is not the important thing. The important thing is that you're just able to get in there, make some changes based on the information that you are going to be putting in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.